All right, so for this one, before I even start the problem, because it's multiple choice, here's a nice test-taking strategy since you guys just finished your PSAT. I have one of those four choices is the correct answer. So I kind of have a guide as to what the final answer will be. So when I go to do this, if it doesn't look like one of these answers, I've made a mistake somewhere. There's some other things I could do too. Like, for example, when I go through the process, I check to see and make sure that it's written as ax squared plus bx plus c equals 0. So then that means that a is equal to 5 and b is equal to -7 and c is equal to -18. So when I go to do the formula, I'm going to say x equals -b, but what's b? -7. Plus or minus the square root of -7 squared minus 4 times a, which is 5, times c, which is -18. And that's all over 2 times a, which is 2 times 5. So right now, from the very beginning, I know that this first term, what's a negative times a negative? Positive. So this is going to be a positive 7. Now, before I do anything else, that means that the answer can't be A and it can't be B. Now, if I look, the denominator can be 10 or 5. I'm not going to pass any judgment on that because I might be able to pull it out. I might be able to reduce it. I don't know yet. So I've got to continue working. So I'm going to say -7 squared, which is 49. And then 4 times 5 is, I'm going to use a calculator on that one. So I'm going to say -4 times 5 times -18, which is going to be a really big number. So it's plus 360. All over 2 times 5, which is 10. So then on the next line, I get 7 plus or minus the square root of 409, which I think might even be a prime number. I don't know. Over 10. Well, I'm pretty sure the answer is going to be C, right? So I think for a second, I can't, because both of these have 409 under the radical, it's definitely going to be C. Normally what you would do is you would think to yourself, is there something I could pull out of here? I don't think there is. I think it's a prime number. So we're going to go with C.